Chapter 3. How to set up and run a home-based recruitment business on a shoestring budget. Starting a business on a shoestring budget does not involve cutting corners that can ultimately undermine your best efforts, leading to a poor service. The truth of the matter is your business can practically all be done over the internet from home, which lends itself to operating on very low running cost. The prerequisites for your business are a telephone, computer, internet access, workstation and printed stationery, which you can easily produce yourself. Cash flow is vital to a business, even one with low running costs, as invariably you will be required to cover your own business expenses, especially if you're working the business on a full-time basis. Cash is usually misunderstood as profit, which is completely different. Profits don't guarantee cash in the bank. Lots of profitable companies go under because of cash flow difficulties. It is said that turnover is vanity, profit is sanity, and cash is king. This should be the motto by which your business should live by. Of course, the ideal scenario is to start a business with enough money to enable you to move more positively and expand your business faster. But even if you do not have the money to set up your business from an office with a full kit and caboodle, that should not prevent you from starting your business from home on a part-time basis. Here are 5 points to keep in mind so that you can successfully operate your business with minimal running costs. It would be ideal if you did not have to borrow money to start your business. After all, you want your own business to give you an additional source of income, if not your main paycheck. You do not need another bill to pay. However, sometimes you really have to borrow money to keep going. A major reason why many small businesses fail is inadequate capital. If you really have to, you must be prepared to take on the right kind of debt. Not all debt is bad debt. You have to ensure that before taking on a debt, you must see a way to pay it back as quickly as possible through your business. As much as you want to be optimistic about your venture, there is always a possibility that your business can take a longer period to generate your first placement income, so you need to have a contingency plan. If you have limited capital, set aside any thoughts of a plush office. Start your recruitment business from home with the view to expanding as and when there are sufficient funds to do so. Spend money only when you really have to. In fact, you can save money by buying nearly new equipment on the internet. Sadly, a number of businesses are still hitting the buffers and going under. This gives you the opportunity to pick up what you need from businesses that go into administration for a very low price. Again, only buy what you need. Many home business entrepreneurs are faced with the dilemma, should I tell my customers that I work as a sole trader from the spare room in my house? In most businesses, your success hinges on how customers perceive your company. The thought of you sitting on the corner of a bed servicing their business will not score you any points. Letting customers know that you are a one-person home business may be the kiss of death for your fledgling enterprise. Customers prefer to deal with a business that shows professionalism and ability to deliver what it promises, qualities often associated with a large, well-established business. Achieving the perception of being a well-established business does not necessarily mean spending tons of money. You can start with a quality website that resembles one of the established high street agencies. Please feel free to contact our recruitment team for a list of cost-effective companies that will do a terrific website for you. The success of your business will also benefit from thinking of ways in which you can make money, save money, or coming up with ideas that will help you to operate more efficiently, enabling you again to make money or save money. On a daily basis, you should think of ways to get things done as cost effectively and efficiently as possible. The less cash outlay, the better. Money saved is money earned. After all, splashing out on one aspect of your business, let's say buying a top-of-the-range laptop computer, may leave you nothing to market your business. As soon as your business starts earning, make sure that you keep a certain percentage of your profits for the growth of your business. Avoid using the lion's share of your earnings for your personal use. There are many shoestring entrepreneurs who go on a personal shopping spree after receiving their first check without regard for the next inventory. It is advisable to allocate a certain portion of your income as your salary, which you can then use for whatever purpose. The rest should be left in your business account until you can pay yourself a dividend from the profits in your business. Your business needs all the resources it can get for it to reach the next level. If you regularly plough back money into your business, you are then in a better position to expand and grow the business. Home-based businesses are booming for several reasons. To begin with, you eliminate the need to spend money every week commuting to an office. Add to that the ability to work your own schedule, no dress code, no boss, and it's easy to see why this is such a desirable career. There is no large explicit outlay of cash to start this business.